Honorable judges of storytelling contest, audience, good morning. My name is Franchelle Carys Christio from St. Peter Junior High School, and today I would like to tell you a story. Have you heard about a beautiful girl with magical hair that when she sang a song, people would fall asleep and have sweet dreams? Here is the story of Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess who really loved roses. That's why she was named Princess Rose. She had long, wavy, and shiny golden red hair. Such a beautiful girl. Every night, a golden bird would fly and come to the princess. Princess Rose and the Golden Bird would sing a mesmerizing song, a lullaby, to make all people sleep and have sweet dreams. Oh, there you are, little birdie, ready to sing? Once a lass met a lad, you're the gentle one, said she. In my heart I'd be glad if you love me for me. It happened every night, and all people in the kingdom always fell asleep and have sweet dreams. That's why all people there live in peace and harmony. But there was one person who was unhappy and angry to see the joy in the kingdom. A wicked witch, came to know about Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. How dare she make people have sweet dreams? I hate it! With my power, will give her a lesson. Simsalabim, bim salabim. Make their red hair this dark. And suddenly, the hair of Princess Rose turned into ugly black. Oh no! What's happening? Oh no! My hair! How could this be? No! My red hair becomes black. No! No! My hair! No! But still in the night, she had to sing the lullaby. Then they start singing and all people fell asleep. However, all people now had very bad dreams, nightmares. The princess was very sad. She cried and cried. Then the golden bird told her to dip her hair into the rose water. Oh, my hair! It is red again! Oh, thank you, Golden Bird. You saved me. Look, my hair. It is red again. Oh, thank you, Golden Bird. The hair of Princess Rose turned into the beautiful and glowing red. She sang the lullaby and people would have sweet dreams as before. But the evil witch knew this and cursed the princess again. How dare she break my curse? Let me show her my power! Simsalabim, bim salabim. Make their red hair this dark. Also, make all roses be gone. tear fell to the ground, and at the same moment, a young handsome prince came and took out a little box. He took a single red hair from the box and put it on the ground. On the prince's tear, magically, the red hair turned into a red rose. Then the prince gave the rose to the princess. Then Princess Rose put the rose into the water and dipped her hair in it. Oh, my hair! It is red again! Oh, I'm so happy! Thank you! You saved me! Actually, Princess Rose and the prince were friends when they were children, and they kept each other's hair in a tiny box. To see the kingdom become cheerful and full of happiness, the witch came again and got very angry. How dare she! My curse! I can't accept this losing! Feeling so depressed, the witch fell into a tiny pieces. Then the prince proposed to the princess. My princess, will you marry me? Is it real? Yes, I do. And finally, Princess Rose and the prince got married, and they lived happily ever after. That's all the story of Princess Rose and the Golden Bird. And the moral value of this story is we must not be jealous of each other, but we must be kind and do good things, just like Princess Rose. And thank you for your kind attention.